Hi, my name is Sheri Hollenbach, and this is my life venture story. So I was born in a town called Gillette, Wyoming. Growing up, you have the option either become a coal miner or work in the oil field or be a stay-at-home mom. Those are your options. I always knew that there was this next level of existence where you have no limitations. As I became to know more and more about that type of life, I had developed this insatiable drive to do whatever it takes to get it.
She was always a straight A student and always self-driven and self-motivated.
Well, that probably played a large part in it.
My parents, they were constantly telling me, I can do this, I'm awesome, I'm incredible. Even when I sucked, they told me I was the best. So that type of parents with this type of insatiable drive, this idea in my head, I decided at 9 years old I was going to write down this goal. So I got out a piece of paper, and goal number 1 was I wanted to make my very first million by the time I was 26. I wanted to make my very first 10 million by the time I was 29, and by age 33, I wanted to make $100 million. And the moment I finished writing that, I decided to put my head down and go to work. But see, the issue was I was 9 years old, so there's not a lot of jobs.
And she started her first job when she was 9. I had to go to bat with her at the News Record. And she wanted the job, but they only hired 13-year-olds. And I told them that hiring Sheri would be like a 13-year-old because she was always more mature for her age. They decided that, okay, we'll go ahead and try this little gal. She had that job for 9 years.
I started delivering newspapers. I started cleaning houses and cleaning churches. I cleaned horse stalls. I started teaching horse riding lessons. And then at 18, I started working for the Campbell County Sheriff's Office. I was doing investments, I was doing real estate, I was doing everything I possibly could to hit my end game. But everything changed in 2013 when LifeVantage came into my life. We've developed a Pro 8 position in LifeVantage, which has over 6,000 people in it, split between 6 different countries. When I got the Life Venture Award, I was excited. It's like you put your head down and you work, and then you get results. And the results in this instance was in my Life Venture program. And the $25,000, I'm gonna use every single ounce of that to help develop the next level of leadership within my team. Helping every single one of my team that want this up here on stage to get their checks. Before this company, we had never been on an airplane. We had never been to more than Wyoming, Nebraska, Kansas. 3.5 years later, LifeVantage and the leadership in LifeVantage paved a path to take me and my family to that next level of existence. So thank you, LifeVantage.